We have now entered level 36 incher area.
We can work our way up.
Yeah.
Certainly do. I agree. Area 36 inches.
Area 36. What's the one? Area 51?
Area 51. Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Area 51. I like that.
Yeah, me too.
I like me some of that.
If we find a 51 here, we're calling that spot Area 51.
Area 51. Yeah.
Fish, fish! Oh, it's big. It's big.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, it is. All right, buddy. Yeah, here we go.
Oh, Andy's off.
Good job.
Hell yeah, dude.
Buddy.